emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. Hey everyone! Here at eModels Towers, we take great pride in making sure we do our best to take care of all your model making needs, all of them, every single one. And one of those needs is putting big, fat informations in the foldy parts of your brain. We get asked stuff all the time about all sorts of aspects of the hobby. Now, I know at least 3 things about modelling because I only have a brain made of squishy things. But my buddy Sprue here knows everything there is because his brain is made out of a bunch of used SSDs that James Mate found behind an abandoned Datsun Sunny in the car park and wiped. He refuses to say what was on them before he wiped them though, but he's never been the same since. Anyway, the kids that work at eModels Towers love to help you but are always very busy and don't have tons of time to answer every question they get by email. That's where we come in. We'll put all your questions to Sprue here and see what he comes up with. Now, because we brought him right in the middle of what we have to refer to as the chocolate velociraptor pandemoomin, because YouTube might tell us off if we use the real words, and right in the middle of a global chip and processor shortage, he unfortunately does not have what our qualified engineers refer to as the speaky bit. He only has a small library of sound effects and YouTube attribution-free music. I'll translate with all the mouths on my face. Anyway, to get to the point, we want you to send us your burning questions either by email or through the contact form on the website. We'll be setting up a brand new page at emodels.co.uk/FAQ as a permanent library of knowings, where Sprue and I will answer your questions as best we can in short videos. Now, we can't answer everything, of course, in a short video. We can't cram an entire brush painting tutorial into a minute-long video, for example, and we won't be able to answer questions about your orders or your account there either. But if you want to know quick things like what is a plastic model, or which glue do I use for ABS, or are Tamiya tools any good, or just generally need hints or tips or general quick bite-sized pointers, we'll see if we can help. The FAQ page will be permanent and we'll add to it as we go along. So either mail your question to sales@emodels.co.uk and make the title of your mail FAQ question, or fill out the contact form on the emodels.co.uk website and we'll see what we can do. We look forward to putting things into your foldy bits. Ooh, wait, that sounds weird.